Well, here's a good sickness. Are you ready for this? There's train 1. There's train 2. Going through lovely Debsville, which now is a real live berg. And look how pretty the Jefferson River is. Can you see the sun glinting off the water? And can you see the fishermen right there? And right there. Plus the ones over here. But anyhow, train 1, train 2. Down here is the secret train that I don't know what to do with yet. And if that's not bad enough, take one last look at this guy coming around. If that's not bad enough, we go for a flight. There's the lovely Buster. And we come helicoptering down the hall. What the heck is this?